I'll answer them in the next video. But at the direct next video, as of I'm planning to post out a Pokemon Sun video. Now we are right now at the Centerline fireworks, so the fireworks are probably going to be done by when this episode ends. But I am going to be recording a couple clippets of the fireworks, in case you guys can't see the action at home. Now we're also going to be talking about school and also the summer. Now I'm on summer vacation right now, meaning that I have nothing to escape out of and tonight let's play and making more vlogs. So I'll be trying my best to make at least 2 to 3 videos every week. So you guys can at least expect some content this summer. Once school starts back up, the video content will start to be slower, and you guys can at least expect 1 video each month. Now, before this video ends and me talking, make sure to throw the Pokeball at the like button, throw the Master Ball at the subscribe button, and throw that Ultra Ball at that bell. Now, what the Pokeball will do to the like button shows your support of the channel. Also, if you throw the Master Ball at the subscribe button, shows your support to join Team Legendary. And if you throw the Ultra Ball at that bell, you guys can get to go ahead and be notified of when this team leader, me, will be going ahead and be posting another video. Now, hope you guys have been having a great summer so far, and I hope it gets even better with my content. Now, it's time for the fireworks. So, become the Legendary!